guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open our webcam using CV2, that is OpenCV. Let's begin by importing CV2, then import numpy as np. Np is a short form, you can change it, you can keep it whatever you want. And let's start with a variable name, you can take any, I just take cam cv2 dot video capture. I just put 0 here because I am using my laptop web camera. If you are using another external camera, you will put 1 here. And while loop for forever loop, and let's take x and y equals cam dot read. You are reading camera, then you have to show the camera. cv2 dot IMShow. You will always read this y, this variable, not x variable, because x variable it is just gives us value of true or false, right or wrong, like that. We will use always y variable. This variable, you can use any variable, but this part will be used for camera. I'm sorry about that. cv2 dot IMShow. Write a name here, any name, image for example, then y. Then you will program for exit. Key is equals to wait key. cv2 dot wait key. Let's write it again. cv2 dot wait key. You can write here 1 or 2, it's just the method. 0xff. If key equals ord. Write any variable you want to be pressed and to quit the program. I just write a. If it's a, break the program. Then cv2 dot destroy all windows, and then finally cam dot release. Save the program and then F5. Hope it works. Yes, I'm sorry about the bad quality. Just press the A button for quitting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos coming soon. In my next video I will show how to tilt the camera and how to convert the colors of the camera. It's RGB, right? No, it's not RGB, it's OpenCV. In OpenCV it's not RGB, it's BGR. Anyways, thanks for watching.